All right, guys, so I wanted to do a quick review on my HighPro 8-tier organizer. Super simple setup. As you can see, all it is about two long poles that are going to go over your door and a couple screws. You don't actually need a drill for the assembly. I just choose to do so just because it makes it a little bit quicker, but they do send you with like a little wrench for it. So no need to worry there. Once you're ready to go, you'll just put them in your door, and these little buckets will just go right and snap into place. There it is. Look how clean that looks. Makes it so that way your pantry has a little extra room where you could just free it up and just make it look a lot cleaner. And like I said, like just hangs very nice and clean off the door. Very sturdy. Look at the inside. Those wood little plates, they're super nice to have. Good quality. And again, once you flip the door over, you can't see anything. Looks really good. 10 out of 10.